Hey, welcome back, Tech 702 Tech Nerds. I got a quick one for you. If you watched the Apple event this morning, you might have saw one of the new features of the Apple Watch Ultra is this cool, this dimming, power-saving red light mode.
A turn of the crown engages night mode, which removes retina-altering blue light to ease the strain on your eyes in the dark.
Now, this mode's been used for years in different aspects of operations, military, police, SWAT, stuff like that, because red light, not only does it use less power, but it doesn't mess with your night vision. So this is actually a handy tip operationally, if you know cops, firefighters, military, people that can use something like this, but also if you just want to look cool and get ahead of the curve, or as those new Ultra watches roll out with the iPhone 14s, here's how you can make your iPhone 14 or even 13 match the new ultra low power mode. Check it out. All right, let's jump into this. Go straight settings, accessibility, display and text size. We're gonna cruise down here a little bit down the menu until you see color filters, turn those on, cruise down to intensify and hue, make sure those are cranked all the way up. Hue kind of does the same thing both ways, but I just crank it up and makes it a little darker red, and obviously make sure the color tint stays checked there and you'll be good to go. Go back out all the way to the bottom, accessibility shortcut, and make sure color filters is enabled. This will actually activate the triple click portion of access on your phone. So you right click the power button 3 times and you end up with one of these right here. Boom. Power saving, low light, low fatigue on the eyes, tactical mode. Pretty cool. So that's it. You can see pretty cool. If you like this stuff, go ahead and sub to the channel. If you don't, you probably suck anyway, so I don't care. Share the video though, because you know it's pretty cool and interesting, so other people check it out. Till the next one, I always keep it short. I'm out of here.